Hey, this is Jerry. We're going to show you how to do what I think your question is from your email. So I'm in the app right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Jobs tab there at the bottom. That's going to pull up this screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this red plus, and then we'll go to Job. All right, so if you already have a customer in here, you can start typing in their name. It will pull up after a couple seconds depending on your network speed. If it's a brand new customer, you can click this red plus button and you can fill out all their information here. Billing cycle, don't need to worry about. Uh, and again, as I'm thinking of it, I am in a test environment. Your screen may look a little bit different, but it will be pretty intuitive as you're going through here. So a lot of this stuff you're not going to have on your screen. I'm just going to go ahead and click the back button because I'm not going to enter any new customers just for the speed of getting things done. In the search box, I'm going to type in, I think I have do I have a Misha in here? Nope. Let's try Easter. All right, so here's my Easter people. I'm going to pick Arvel. And then this will fill in your job type. Sorry about that. Scrolled a little too far. In job type, this is going to be probably your 1-time, 2-time, 3-time things. You'll pop up and you'll pick that from here. Again, mine is a little bit different. And then you can put in the description. Ignore those rooms or ignore those fields of mine. So here is the day that you want to schedule them. So if you click on this, I think, see if it comes up. Yeah, there's a little bit of delay between my phone and the app I'm using to show you my phone. So it'll pop up with a calendar. You can schedule it for any day that you need to. I'm going to leave it on the 7th, and then you can just hit save. Oh, forgot to enter my description. And as you see, it will yell at you if you haven't done something. And back down, and we're going to hit save. Okay, now this is going to pop up on my screen because I scheduled it for today. If you scheduled it for, let's say, the 10th or the 12th, then you could use these things up here to just go to the 10th. We also have a calendar view here that you could select. This is still being worked on. It's new that we're going to be rolling out, but it's just an easier way that you can kind of scroll, go to the 10th, and you can see the jobs listed here. This is going to become more prominent as the development finishes. But we'll go back to jobs, and I just clicked the jobs button here at the bottom. So then I'm going to just click on the job to go in. And then you'll see here is the scheduled window. This is when their job is going to go. As soon as this file stops catching up, I'm going to click on that. Now, if you go out there and you need to reschedule a trip, you would use this button. But let's say you know that you're going to schedule this guy for his can cleanings maybe 1st of August and then again in September before your weather gets bad or something. You just hit this plus symbol and it's going to add another scheduled trip, just like what you had in the all jobs page there at the bottom. So you can basically, again, pick your day, blah, 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 hit save. It's going to take you back. Actually, let's go ahead and do it. That way you can see it. So we're going to pick a day here. Again, I apologize for the computer phone integration slowness a little bit. Now, the one thing I want to point out, you should leave these as all day, or AM or PM. When you guys start getting really busy, these are the jobs that your optimization tool can optimize for you to make your route more smooth. If you set a job as a specific time or a time range, your optimization tool is not going to work with those jobs because it determines, because of that status, you have already selected your desired time to go to that job. So we'll do save. And then here's you see, just as you see, schedule 1, schedule 2. And those are going to show up on your schedule when you need to. So if I go to jobs, and we're going to bump this to the 18th. The magic of time travel. Did I pick the 18th? I can't remember. I thought I did. Oh, 17th. My bad. Took us all the way into the future and overshot. So let's go to schedule. Let's see if this will work like I think it does. And 17th. Yep, there it is. So you'll see August 17th, everything's there, the job is scheduled. So any trips you add will automatically go there. Now let's go back to jobs, because I don't know if you have this question, but I'm going to answer it since you're recording already. If you want to, from your nice air-conditioned truck at Sonic Drive-In eating a good cheeseburger, if you've just created this job for Arville Easter, or whoever your person is going to be, you can go ahead and click email. And you can attach the invoice and send it to them right from this phone. They will get the invoice in their email inbox, and they will also get a link so they can pay that invoice right then and there. So that's however you want to handle it. If you're actually in the truck and you create this job on site, you can click the pay button, and it will allow you to take payment from them right there on the spot, and then you could schedule their other cleanings down the road. I'm thinking maybe a neighbor sees you cleaning their trash can and they come out and wave and say they want your service too or something. You could set it up, have them pay for it right on the spot, and everything will show up in ServiceWorks. All right, let me know if you have any other questions. Shoot me an email and we'll get something else out to you. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.